This was the second victory speech after the Wisconsin Supreme Court election this month.
A funny thing happened to me on the way to my concession speech. The people of Wisconsin told me to tear it up and go back to work.
The first victory speech was given by Prosser's opponent, Joanne Kloppenburg, the day after the election. The unofficial results had put Kloppenburg ahead by 204 votes.
You know, the numbers showed that we won, and we are gratified to have that victory in hand.
After the official results came in, Prosser led by 7,300 votes.
Now that all 72 counties have completed their canvasses, the result of the election is not in doubt.
Kloppenburg's campaign is currently deciding whether or not to request a recount.
We don't feel that there is a need for a recount. At the largest number of votes statewide that's ever been turned around is 489 votes. And we are now at 7,316. So we really don't see the need for a recount right now. It would be enormously costly. And there's just no evidence there to suggest that a recount's needed.
The state's Government Accountability Board cannot certify the election until either the Kloppenburg campaign declines a recount or until the recount is over, which could potentially take weeks, if not months. Because Prosser won by less than 0.5%, the Kloppenburg campaign would not have to pay for the recount. GAB Executive Director Kevin Kennedy says it could cost Wisconsin counties over $1 million. The Prosser campaign says a recount would be frivolous.
Even through this last weekend, I mean, literally tens of thousands of dollars have been spent by the counties in preparing for what is ultimately a frivolous act. If there's some motive here that has anything to do with something other than trying to overturn a campaign, that's for politics. That's not for the public expense at a time when, frankly, we can't afford it.
The Prosser campaign says it is ready for a recount if Kloppenburg files for one.
I want my friends to know that come what may, I intend to follow the advice of the great Welsh poet Dylan Thomas. I do not intend to go gently into that good night.
For the MacIver Institute, I'm Bill Osmolsky.